Welcome back to coachingchief.com. In this video, we are going to look at some conversions. This is a continuation of our Senior 2 series, linear motion and non-linear motion, focusing on our linear motion part. The reason why I'm emphasizing a video on this conversion, possibly you could have done it in Senior 1, but there are some questions which require you to convert into a desired units. The question can dictate, and if at all it doesn't dictate, it's good for you, but most of the times you're required to keep the answer in the standard units if it is speed, and at times the question can just leave it to kilometers per hour. So me are looking at this. These are units for velocity. These are units for velocity, and if we are converting from kilometers to meters per second, we use a simple trick. There is Kampala, Haliyo, Dansi, Makeke, Donti, Kea, Madanga. You've been using this. This is Kampala, Haliyo, Dansi, Makeke, Donti, Kea, Madanga. Depending on where you grew up from or whatever shortcut you use, you can put it in the comment section and let me know. So in this case, these are meters. We shall add meters here. We leave that. Meters. So we are looking out at a kilometer. It is here. We are also looking out at a meter, which is here. So when you put a 1 here, put a 0, 0, 0 until you reach a meter. So when you reach a meter, it implies that where you put a 1, it was a kilometer, and you counted 1, 2, 3 zeros to reach a meter. So it implies that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. How about 1 hour? 1 hour has 60 minutes, and each 60 minutes has 60 seconds. So it means 1 hour is going to be equivalent to 3600 seconds. 1 hour has 60 minutes, and each minute has 60 seconds. So it means 1 hour is going to be 3600 seconds. Now, these are at least the two you must have before you make any conversion here. And if we are now to convert our first one, that is 108 kilometers per hour to meters per second. This is the same as 108 kilometers. Now this per hour, per 1 means per hour, and this can be written as 108 kilometers over hour. So this can be safely written as this. You know that this is the same as 108 times 1 kilometer over 1 hour. If it is just hour, that is this. It means here there is a silent 1. Same situation here. This is the same as 108 times 1 kilometer. So from there, you're going to say 108 times the equivalence of 1 kilometer in meters, in the units they want, meters. So I put 1,000. So where there is 1 kilometer, I'm going to put 1,000 meters over. Where there is 1 hour, I will put an equivalence of 1 hour, that is 3600 seconds. And now when we place our calculator as per second. Let's do another example. So we are converting 60 kilometers per hour to meters per second. It means whatever we are having here, kilometers we have to put meters, hours we have to put seconds. So this one can be safely written as 60 kilometers over hour. Per hour means divide by hour. This is the same as 60 times kilometer over hour. So we can attach a 1 here because it won't change anything. This is the same as 60 times 1 kilometer over 1 hour. So from there we can say 60 times 1 kilometer, an equivalence that is 1000 meters, over an equivalence of 1 hour that is 3600. So when we put that on our calculator, I'm getting 16.667 or 50 over 3 meters per second. These are seconds here. Yeah, there we go.